right bang in the middle now, you can see the tower. I've gone in on it a bit and tried to filter it with colours, and hopefully I've got to put all this shit up to keep people happy. And the music, there might be music, there might not be music, I don't know. Come on, there you go. Oh god, it's starting again because it's the second clip that I did, and whenever I start a new clip I have to put on where it is or I'll lose contact. I'll lose place, not place. This one's a bit difficult to see. This one not so much. This one is well, it's symmetrical. This one's a bit of a weirdo. Looks like it's going uphill, but I don't think it is. I think it's just the angle that I've actually took it at. As I've spun it around, it's sort of tilted up somehow. What it is, once again, it's clearly not rocks. It may be surrounded by rocks, or these things here. There's that tower again. You can see it dead center, and there's another one behind it. But the thing is, what's surrounding these installations is totally bizarre. I'm not sure they're not habitats or some connecting corridors of some kind that get you to this building without coming out onto the surface. In other words, you can travel about on the surface of the planet, but you're undercover all the while because of this network of what looks to us like jagged nothings. There's that tower again. I think I've done it in color as well. It might jump to that now. No, gone. Yeah, you can see the stuff around. Now, people would argue that they're boulders, but you know, they're just too many big boulders to be boulders. They're not stacked up on top of one another. There are gaps in between everything, which indicates space to do something, to get around, if you like. It's a bit more obvious there. That's some kind of, I would say, power plant of some kind. Here we are again, but as you can see from the background, the camouflage is really impressive. I mean, you really have to look to find something like this. This could be anything up to, there's a tower again, and the one in the background, you see the top of it. There's a pair of them. You can see them side by side, left and right. What they're doing, no idea, but they're pretty big. You know, you're talking about, I don't know, 50 foot wide. Who knows how high? Maybe 100, 200 feet high. It's no, I've got no way of knowing. I'm just guessing from my experience. There's the three, I'll call them spires. One at the front, main one, and two at the back. I know I'm jumping about a bit, but these were taken at different times, different weeks, different sessions looking at Mars. I've just lumped them all together to make one video. It's just a way of showing people, if they go onto Mars, onto the AWT telescope and look around, they're going to find this stuff. It's there. You don't have to be gifted or skilled with a telescope. You just simply press the paddle, it'll zoom in, and you can go as near or as far back as you like. When you get it off there, if you record it and take it off that screen using a screenshot or a snapshot or whatever you want, you can then add filters like this. I've added a blue filter, which gives a bit of definition. It helps changing the colors. You see, that's it in its original state and not quite as defined. I prefer the colors anyway. It's what I like. It definitely shows up a kind of three-dimensional effect. Please subscribe if you haven't. I need everybody's support to get this out. There's a power plant on Earth, of course, in case any twat decides to say that I'm trying to imply that's on Mars. It's not. There's our old friend Neil. Liar, liar, pants on fire, Neil. You bullshitted us. You're looking for rocks. You weren't looking for no rocks on the moon, mate. We're not that fucking stupid. You might think we are, but we're not. We know what you were doing up there. On the rim. They're on the rim. Oh my God, they're fans. They're gigantic. And you know what you were talking about. No excuses. But this is Mars. This is a very, very busy looking area. And these definitely seem to be interconnected. some way that I can't really describe because it's not what we have here on Earth. We don't build like this. We don't have stuff that looks like this. So it's hard to relate to it. It's hard to say, oh, well, that's such and such. I've seen that before. I mean, if you flew over Manhattan from, say, 5 miles up, it would look similar to this, but not the same. Definitely not the same. I did think nuclear generators. My voice is going. I'm going to have to stop in a minute. This is the material in the background there now. This could be rocks. It might not be rocks. It's really hard to tell. But as you come forward, you begin to see structures. There they are. They're not rocks. They're right in plain sight. Can't miss them. What they are, no idea. It's debatable as to whether it's a building, whether it's a factory. You know, it could be anything, but it's not nothing. If you look at it, you can't say, oh, it isn't anything. It's something, definitely something. Now, I've added a lot of color on this one. Bring that tower out again. There's two in the background. You see one of them, I think, the large one and the little white one in the background. Now, to the left top is the installation, and this is away from the installation, so there's a reason for that. You can see here there's a circular thing leading to the installation again, and these are different installations. A couple of them are the same, but they're in different areas, but they have a similarity to them, and they seem to be built with a main block and an arm, or maybe two arms, that travel away from the building and have something at the end of the arm, like maybe it's nuclear, or maybe it's something else. Maybe it's just how they design these things. I hope you like what I've been doing and you'll support me.